Good day, everyone. Today's pushing point is don't underestimate yourself. We all do it. Things happen in our lives that are just so magnificent and so powerful. We're like, oh no, that wasn't meant for me. Or maybe it's not my time for this. Or maybe it's not my time for that. Stop doing that to yourself. All the great things that you are going through in your life are happening because they're supposed to. It's your time. It's your season. We all get in the modes where we're like, well, maybe I don't deserve this. You do. And when bad things happen in your life, that's just part of life. Without the sun, we would not have a night. And repeating that correctly, without day, we wouldn't have night. You can't have a right and not have a wrong. You can't have a negative and not have a positive. Everything that's happening in your life is happening for a reason. Sometimes we get so down on our luck, we can't even see the blessings because it just seems like everything is going bad. In those moments, what I encourage you to do is take a deep breath. Look from the outside looking in, take your emotions out of it, and see what lesson is there for you. Sometimes the lesson may not necessarily be for you. You may just have been a person that was chosen because you can handle it. And so after which you get all the blessings and you feel like, wow, I've been suffering for so long. Do I really deserve these blessings? Yes, you do. Even if you're in your life, if you have been through things and your character hasn't been the best, but you've made changes. So you may feel an internal guilt, like, well, I did this and I used to do that. And, and that's okay. Like, we grow, you blossom. You learn from your mistakes. So again, don't underestimate yourself. Yes, you can do whatever it is you want, no matter what you've been through. No matter what goods or what bads has happened in your life, you deserve what you want if you ask for it. And I've talked about this in other videos. All you have to do is put your left foot in front of your right foot and move forward. Don't look back. Don't underestimate that these things are for you, meant for you, and that they can be achieved by you. And guess what? People are watching you. Your younger siblings, your loved ones. They're watching what you're doing. And you never know what you will inspire in those people by just going through your storms and keeping to move forward. And I've said this before, like literally, you know what you know. Don't doubt it. Our intuition is one thing that God has given us. When you have those feelings about certain things, don't underestimate that either. If you get that strong feeling telling you to do something or not to do something, listen to it. Don't think, well, I thought maybe, or I think maybe. How many times have you said, I'm going to play this lottery number? But then that second little voice come in and say, no, don't play the lottery number. And the daggone lottery number come out. So that's just a short example of you underestimating things that are meant for you. Or you underestimate yourself, feel like, well, I don't deserve this right now because of some things that insecurities that you may have. And that's it. As the day continues, I just really want you to think about how many things you have turned away because you underestimated yourself. And that is my pushing point for today. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day.